Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, and you're about to do something very cool, a different take on lasagna.
A spin on lasagna.
A spin, if you would.
So it's fall.
Yeah.
Butternut squash and spinach lasagna.
I mean,
Who would
done.
have thunk it?
Not me.
So this is a seasoned ricotta mix. It's basically ricotta, pecorino, parsley, salt, pepper. And we wanted to saute a little bit of spinach, so I did that a little earlier. And we're gonna mix it in with the ricotta. This is the easiest lasagna you'll ever make. The base of this lasagna is butternut squash soup.
Stop it. Which you can buy.
It comes in this little quart container, right?
Done.
Done. A pre-cooked lasagna sheets, 3 sheets on the bottom, and we're just gonna put dollops of ricotta. Then we're gonna take some pre-roasted butternut squash, just salt and pepper and oil. Back to the lasagna sheets, but then you wanna push it down.
Oh, you squish.
Squish it. Next layer of filling. Butternut squash, the last layer. Put it all over the top. Slicing mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna put it right on top, just like that. We're gonna throw it in the oven at 325 for about 35 minutes.
Oh,
and there we go.
wow.
Look at that.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Take a little bit of this, put it on top, and there you go, Lil.
I love that.
Butternut squash spinach lasagna.
So cool, so different. So if you'd like to try this at Janice12.com, you'll find the recipe there. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you.
Excellent. You're very welcome.